Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to our Creative Corner. Today, we're embarking on a deep dive into the mesmerizing world of ZBrush and the enchanting art of sculpting. Buckle up because we're not just scratching the surface, we're plunging into the very essence of digital artistry. 1. Unveiling the wonders of ZBrush. All right, let's kick things off by immersing ourselves in the enchanting realm of ZBrush. Picture this, a digital canvas where your imagination has no bounds. Developed by the brilliant minds at Pixologic, ZBrush isn't just a software, it's a gateway to a virtual universe where artists sculpt dreams into reality. We'll explore its intuitive interface, powerful sculpting tools, and the magic that happens when you unleash your creativity within its digital playground. 2. The artistic odyssey of sculpting. Now let's journey into the heart of sculpting. It's more than just a technical skill, it's an artistic odyssey. Sculpting is the language that speaks emotions, and ZBrush is your digital chisel, carving out expressions, stories, and a piece of your creative soul. We'll delve into the intricacies of sculpting techniques, the psychology behind creating lifelike characters, and how ZBrush facilitates this mesmerizing dance between the artist and their creation. 3. Bridging realities. The fusion of 2D and 3D. Speaking of dance, let's talk about the tango between 2D and 3D. Your sketchbook is your creative warm-up, the birthplace of ideas. But what happens when you want to bring those sketches to life? That's where ZBrush steps in as the ultimate matchmaker, seamlessly bridging the gap between 2D concepts and breathtaking 3D masterpieces. We'll explore the transformative power of this creative fusion and the expanded storytelling possibilities it offers. 4. ZBrush as your creative wingman. Ever wished for a creative wingman? Well, ZBrush is here to be just that. From its extensive library of sculpting brushes to its dynamic tools, ZBrush transforms you into a digital sculpting maestro. Whether you're crafting characters for the gaming realm, animated films, or just exploring the vast landscapes of digital art, ZBrush is your trusty sidekick. 5. Beyond the virtual canvas, ZBrush's impact on real-world applications. Let's not forget that our digital escapades have real-world implications. ZBrush isn't confined to the realms of fantasy. It's making waves in industries like architecture, medicine, and beyond. We'll unravel the practical applications of your creative endeavors, showcasing how ZBrush isn't just a tool for artists, but a catalyst for innovation in various fields. 6. Masterclass in creativity, navigating ZBrush like a pro. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. We'll embark on a virtual masterclass exploring the nuances of ZBrush, from understanding advanced sculpting techniques to navigating the intricacies of the interface. We'll equip you with the skills to navigate ZBrush like a seasoned pro. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your artistic expression. Conclusion, the grand finale of our creative odyssey. As we wrap up this creative odyssey, it's evident that ZBrush isn't just a tool, it's a medium through which artists redefine possibilities. Sculpting transcends the digital realm, becoming a universal language of expression. Whether you're a seasoned digital artist or a curious creative soul, ZBrush invites you to explore, innovate, and create. So, my creative comrades, if you're as fascinated by the wonders of ZBrush as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the world of digital art, and let us know in the comments what aspect of sculpting you find most enchanting. Until next time, stay inspired, keep creating, and remember, the digital canvas is limitless, and your imagination is the only constraint. Catch you in the next one.